Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. Approximately 11:30 in Honolulu, 5:30 in New York City. It is Tuesday, the 14th day of August, 2012, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. Another day with lower pricing today. Market is closed for the afternoon break, currently trading off $10.90 on the close. As you can see, current print 1598.70. It has been hovering just around the $1,600 mark with a low of 1590. Unchanged on silver. That was lower in the morning session. Current print, as you can see, 2770 with a low of 2756, and 2814 is the high on the day. On the heels of a report coming out that showed better than expected retail spending, consumer spending here in the United States, we saw the precious metals continue under pressure today, with gold for the first time, and I believe in about a week and a half, actually dipping below $1,600. Had a low of 1590, as I believe, and quickly found support. Apparently, there were a lot of stops that were hit. We had the recent low 1606, stops were placed below that. When the market did slide through there, stops were hit, pushed the market down, and of course, we had buying coming into the market, bringing it back right around 1600 as we stand now. Traders, we are looking at the continuous contract of COMEX gold, very, very short time frame, 10-minute time frame. And the reason for putting this up is just to show you how this fall kind of looked this morning, and really what we saw in terms of trading activity. Market had been really trading in this tight range right in here, 1612 to call it maybe 1616. Of course, it did not have the ability to take out 1635, 1625, as you can see these tops here at 1618. Market trades and that report hits. You can see first 10 minutes takes it down to about 1612, just below at 1611. Next 10 minutes, market continues to plunge. $1,600 mark, that's right here. So you can see next 10 minutes it comes down, and you can see the low that it made on a continuous contract, call it 1594. That's that low right here, straight candlestick. You can see that. And of course, at that point, the market did get some buying come back in, and it pushed the market back up. When we take a look at it, of course, in terms of the $1,600 mark, and let me kind of put that in right in here. Let me use a different color actually. But what you can see is that as it came down, of course, it did actually find some support. Let me go ahead. This is our 1600 mark right in here. Market low right here, 1594. Comes back up, and as you can see, it 1606, which was the former support level. That's the area that it finds a little bit of resistance. You can see it right in here. Market meanders back lower, but as you can see, it has closed for the day because this is off the New York market, and as I said, we're just below 1500. Cash market currently 1598.70, but you can see that it maintained, and I can say really found some pretty good support at 1600. Traders, we're looking at a very short term. This is a 60-minute spot cash silver chart. Really, what we can see in this is that the reaction we got to the better than expected retail sales certainly didn't hit silver in the way that it hit gold. Realize silver is used in industry, it's used in a lot of products, so it of course wouldn't affect it in the same way. In terms of a technical stance or technical look at the market, when we talked about this a little bit yesterday, I think that we should find support in silver right at around 2750, 27 and a half. I think that that should hold. We'll have to see. You can see that the lows that we had as the market's been trading over the last few days has gotten to that point but not been able to take it out. We also talked about the fact that in terms of historical data, recent data, you can see right in here these series of tops. These are intraday highs, of course. The market comes in, cannot take it out, and moves back down to a lower range. We also see that when the market broke and broke above that, that the real resistance in this market, 28.20, you can see that right in here. This is 28.30. And this, of course, is 28.20. I think we're going to be range bound in terms of our support, 27.50 to 60 in terms of our resistance, 28.20 to 28.35. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.